Alright, we are here back again with the videos. We had 2001 Corolla evac code and 2001 Toyota Corolla with misfire code. Well, let's check it out. Let's see. To be honest, I already started the diagnosis on this car. The misfire that this car has, it could be a really messy problem. Okay, I don't know if you can see. Let me go closer. 136,000 miles. The customer said they bought it 3 months ago and it have a misfire code. So I want to replace with a cheap coils, cheap spark plugs. They don't do no help at all. Looks like it's not a high mileage car, but it's a 2001, and to be honest with you, I get as much as I can information from the customer, and she said that one of the family members sold the car to her, but he bought the car from a small dealer. My shop is in South Central, and I learned already the little things that people do over here trying to sell a car, and sometimes they go very successful because what they do with the Chinese machines, they sold an Alibaba to bring the miles down. This car, I don't want to spend money to run a Carfax, but if you see right here, we had 6 codes. Let me see if I can do very well right here. All right, so P0300 P0303 and pending 301 303 304. Okay, so because I got the other Corolla, I get 2 coils from that Corolla and I put her in the other Corolla, right? Any technician can do that to see if the misfire is gonna follow the cylinder. So if you can see, I have the number 1 coil and the number 2 cylinder, and vice versa, and I got number 3 and 4 for the other Corolla, which only have an eval code. So at this point, I have to take the valve cover up, and I can see right here, because like I said already, I start already my diagnosis, and see, head gasket is already being done in this car. So what I'm thinking is that someone did a head job, a cheap job for sure, bring the miles down, sell the car to the family member, the family member tried to fix it, and at the end sold it to my customer because he doesn't wanna deal with the headache. Now this car, I already checked spark plugs and the coils. I swapped them. I put those 2 used ones that are very good condition, and it's not